The digital marketplace is a vast, treacherous ocean. A product without a high-definition image is a ship without a rudder. To be king, you must first be seen. Clarity is the first step to trust. We use Replicate to reconstruct the lost details of your product, turning a snapshot into a professional asset. Lighting creates desire. By using AI lighting engines, we bathe the smartphone in a futuristic glow that makes it feel like a living artifact. The secret to high-end sales is in the details. We use AI enhancement to show the precision of the lenses and the cold touch of the metal. A single image is a snapshot. A 6-module strategy is a legacy. We follow the navigator's path to scale your brand to global dominance. A phone in a pocket is a tool. A phone on a high-tech captain's console is a status symbol. We use AI to generate the world your customers want. The screen is the primary point of contact. By using AI Emissive Glow, we make the interface feel alive, illuminating the user's world. We don't sell specs. We sell identity. We use AI to generate the ideal user who reflects the aspirations of your audience. Your brand must fit every moment. We use AI to batch process the phone into 4 distinct high-end lifestyle scenarios. Balance is the language of the subconscious. We use AI smart cropping to ensure every ad feels naturally perfect. Beauty captures the eye. Specs capture the mind. We use AI to generate high-tech infographics that explain the phone's power. Followers create the king. We use AI to design the seal of trust, the testimonials and 5-star ratings that prove your brand is the chosen one. The navigator reads the currents. She doesn't guess. We use AI to test 2 illusions and follow the highest ROI. The voyage is complete. Your brand is no longer just a phone. It is the sovereign of the digital era. Welcome to the Grand Line. The navigator has shown you the path. The AI tools are in your hands. From snapshot to supermodel, the marketplace is yours. Arise.